So here, this is your site. You can generating traffic on your website. How is that possible? How to generate for instant traffic on your website? What is my instant traffic? That only possible by the one is SEO. Second will be SM. SEO will be long-term process. SM will be generated for instant traffic. Again, generating for instant traffic always on your website. That is called. We can select option call is Google AdWords. It's called Google AdWords, where you can display my ads. So first you can go option call here. So this option is called. So any people searching for any keyword, digital marketing training. Here will be showing for ads on your header will be 4. In these 4 ads, our ad will be showing for our website ad. That is called the ads will be created on your using Google AdWords. That is called generating for website traffic, means search network. So first you can go to the create a campaign for new. We can go to the process, create a campaign. In this option call is, I can select the new campaign. What is that? Sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. You go with this one. So what my logic is website traffic. Click it. They're going to wait. Here will be 4 options: search, display, shopping, and video. Which one you going for? I'm clicking for search. In this one, first you can select by your website URL. Click for continue. If your website traffic will promote, will be 4 ways. Which one? Search, display, and shopping and YouTube. But we go with the search network. Why? Because always our website is showing for an ads pattern. So in this one, first of all, we can select the campaign name. The ad will display will be 2 pattern, search network and display network. So I can go with only for search. So the search. I can go with only for display. Go with the display. But I can go with the 2 options, search and display. So if anyone asking question, in a search network, we can create the 2 type of ads. Search ads, display ads, search with the display ads. 3 totally deal. Here I am selecting by search network and display network. Both ways. So how to show my ad? First question. So the ad will be showing for here. Just scroll down. Will show the ad type. In this is your ad. So I can show this one. The ad will be showing for is ad like this. Display with the text and click for learn more. In this one, after selecting this, I'm target for my area is the only for Hyderabad. So my business only for Hyderabad. My target was only for Hyderabad. C is the target audience. 2 crores, so 2 lakhs 22,000 my target. How much? 2 lakhs 22,000. Select it. After that, select your language, English. Select only for English. If you remove this English, all languages. I mean not all language, only for English. Coming here, what's your daily budget? I'm fixing my budget will be 2,000. Your bidding price will be dependent by conversion value, clicks. So what is the conversion value? I can go with the convert my traffic. So people are watching my website. What the use? They will be click the website. My budget will be lost. I don't getting for any leads. So I can looking for conversion value. So I can go with the conversion. Set as a target for action. So you can fix your CPA budget. For action, how much budget? I can give by 1 rupee. So how much my daily budget? 2,000. How much your action will be? Each action they charge for 1 rupee. 2,000 action will be done by 2,000 rupees. So I'm not the fix any budget here. Now start it and end it. This is totally dynamic search charts. Get automated search targeted by customize and headlines based on your website. Set audience and add your campaign. I'm not set any particular audience. Here will be I'm not add any call extension, options. Please note all these options. Started, ended, dynamics such as audience and etc. Note on. Based on requirement, you can select this option. Your requirement, you can add your option. What is the options I'll show you in your ad? Please note on it. Now see here. So what does it mean by this extension option? If you go ads, see here, they're showing for any extra address. They can show for extra options. These all call these options. If required, you can use it. If not required, don't need these options. These all by ad rotation, ad schedule, campaign, or extra option. I'm not using any kind of extra option. Just I'm using for just my ad budget and my conversion, my daily budget. And after that, save and continue. So here, what are my target audience are? 2 lakhs 22,000 that targeted by the either location. What is my daily budget is called 2,000 rupees. The purpose of conversion, if any people come into my website for conversion purpose. Save and continue. This is the first target. Next target, you can write down, that is called create a setup groups. Create a setup groups. That is called group nothing but create your ad. First select your keywords. RTS services. You can go with so I'm adding here. So I'm adding for this keyword. Always remember each ad group we can add the minimum 15 keywords. Each ad group we can create the minimum 15 keywords. This 15 keyword when search the people, our ad will be showing. Your search network depend on your what are the keywords you are adding the group. The ad will showing for based on the ad group keyword. If anyone asking for interview question, search network depend on by which one. That is called when you're creating ads on search network. What are the keywords we can give on ad group? The based on the ad group keyword, the ad will be showing for search results. Is it clear? This is very important. The keywords dependent by three matches: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Please note down. Each group we are adding for 15 keywords. The keywords will show on the Google search results. When people search, the matches are three: broad, exact, phrase. Please design the campaign structure for the screen. First AdWords account, campaign number 1, campaign number 2, each campaign, multiple ad group, each ad group, multiple keywords. Please note on it. So here is a total campaign structure. Each campaign we can create the multiple ad groups is called ads on your bidding. Ad group nothing but a set of keywords. The keywords will be 1 to 15 keywords. You can add more than 15 keywords. Add nothing but this creating for search ad display ads. This is your ads campaign is a dependent by your campaign structure. Your campaign dependent by the three matches: broad, exact, and phrase match. What does it mean by three matches? We can see as the screen. See here matches: broad match for phrase match, exact match, and native match. Here we're using only for three match: broad, exact, and phrase. What is it called? See here, exact match. Keyword, an exact term and close variation of the exact term. Means exact match is there. My exact match is called Digital Marketing Training Institute. This is my exact match. Okay, I'm using for Digital Course Institute. They will match exact, not match it. When matching Digital Training Institute, a keyword on Google, that is called exact match. Next one, broad match. If you're matching for training, if you're matching for digital marketing, the ad will showing for users. This is called, the ad will be showing for training, that will be showing, or digital marketing, some other. The showing for training, that will be showing. Next one, phrase match. Phrase match means, I give some example. My phrase is USA trip. I'm using for free USA trip, I'm called. So that my phrase will be match. Suppose US trip free, not exact match. Why? I can call USA trip. Here will be US free trip. So in between the trip, they call by free. So it's not a, what is that? Phrase match. So I can show you example here. Buy flower. This is my search keyword. That will be showing for any queries. Buy flower, buy red flower, flowers by New York, buy flower, buy tulips. If you're showing for any kind of search on Google, my ad will be showing. What is the my ad is? Buy flower. Next one, coming to phrase match. Here, keyword buy flower is a phrase. May show for this queries when you I buy flower, phrase is match. Why is that? Buy flower. If you're using for S will be missing, is not a phrase match. Exactly each and every word, sentence will be formulation as it is required from your phrase formulation. Flower, buy flowers in New Delhi is okay, but not this queries. Buy red flowers. Why? Buy flower in between coming from red. Buy and flower in between coming from red. An extra word will be between flowers buy. Totally reverse. Buy flower. This is a singular. Why my phrase is plural? The showing for singular. Buy tulips. The words are different. This totally 5 is considered by the broad match. We're using for buy flower, but not considered by the phrase match. Next one, exact match. Your keyword matching as it is exact by search the people the showing. Your search network dependent by 3 matches, broad, exact and phrase. If you are spending your budget sufficiently, go with the phrase or exact match. Go with the phrase or exact match. Suppose I can getting for n number of customers, go with the broad match. So these are 3 matches. Now, when you create add these keywords, so this keyword we can matching for 3, broad, exact, phrase. So where we can add this 3 matches. First, I'm creating for ad group this keyword. Save and continue. Go to the third step. Create ad. So create your ad. Ad will be the showing for option call is final URL. Copy. Headline 1, how many characters? 30. Headline 2, how many characters? 30. Headline 3, how many characters? 30. Previous, first one 25. Next will be target the 30. Headline 1, headline 2 will be 25, 20 will be the coming to new one. This is called 30 headline characters. Description. Previous only one will be there. The description character will be 80. New update is called 90 characters. Always remember, previous starting Google AdWords, they support only for 65 characters, updating for 75. Now we'll be updating for 80. Now we'll be finally getting new update is called 90 characters. With space also your character. So I'm writing for you. Digital marketing, training and consultant, but he is not matching. Consultant in Madhapur, Hyderabad. See this keyword. No need to add your ad also. Why? Because automatically pipe will be coming to in between here. So done. Next one is done. RTS provide digital marketing services and training with the best price in the program India. So I have the one description is enough. No need to the second description. I click for done. This is totally search ad. So if you're creating for one more ad, just click it. One more you're creating for is a duplicate ad. So this one. So you can consider by one ad. So you can go with the second ad. I can changing the small change. Training company digital marketing agency and training with the best price. So click for done. So if you are not creating for so many ad purpose, I'm just creating for this ad. So total discussed by the two ads. So 1 and 2.
This second number changes.
So I'm creating for two ads as your requirement. Click for save and continue. So destination will be your website. I can promote it will be two different keywords and one place. So to save continue. Finally, you can confirmation your ad, your date, budget, maximize conversion, location Hyderabad, language, campaign goal is website traffic. Goal is a website traffic. Ad group is one. Create by here in the option. Click for continue to campaign. So everything will be created. So where we can using for matches is a question. Broad match is there, Excel is there, phrase is there. So I'm creating total campaign. Can I use any matches in this? We can't use any matches. The matches will be available by first go to your all campaign. First to check the campaign is active or not, eligible or not. The campaign, what is called? Eligible and your learning. First open your campaign. After campaign, what is open for? Ad group. Ad group is eligible or not? Eligible. Selected ad group. Save. In ad group, how many keywords are there? So many keywords. Any keyword is not eligible? Not eligible means low search value. Google AdWords not considered by the low search value keywords. So if you are selecting for matches purpose, select the keyword broad, phrase, exact. Which keyword you are fixed for the matches, select your matches. Default match is called always broad match. Default matches is called always broad match. Select it. Select your exact match. Select your exact match. Select your exact match. So see this one. So I can fix my budget purpose and give the exact match. Why? I can target my budget will be through only for people with searching for this keyword. My budget will be spending with conversion purpose. That is called I can fix my exact keyword. Is it clear? This is called create a campaign for search network for showing ads on Google in this Google search term options.